One day, Ishaanya opened her big book. Out popped the letter E.
Hi everyone! I'm the letter E.
Come with me, Ishaanya. Ishaanya went with the letter E to meet new E friends. Suddenly, she met Ellie the elephant. Ellie was sprinkling water on plants with her long trunk. Trees need water to grow, Ellie said. High in the sky flew Eddie the eagle. He circled above and said, "Clean air helps me fly high." Near the river, Ishaanya saw Emily the eel. Emily swam happily in clean water. "Dirty water makes me sad," he said. On the grass ran Emma the emu. She picked up paper from the ground. "Please do not litter," Emma said. Ishaanya smiled. She had met all her E friends. She was very tired, so she rushed back home and ate an egg. Ishaanya smiled and said, "E is for egg, E is for elephant, E is for eagle, E is for eel, E is for emu, E is for environment. I will always take care of my environment." Bye-bye, friends. See you with another letter soon.